Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be getting my Cummins out of storage. I'm over at Hoodie Brothers Garage.
What's up, dude?
Fucking subscribe to him. He's fucking dope as shit.
Got some shit in here.
So we got some batteries in there. Got some tools. My transfer case is absolutely destroyed. So we're gonna drive home anyways. You know, whatever. We're just pop it in two and good enough, right?
Otherwise, we got to get the trailer and the wheels and do a bunch of bullshit.
Not trying to do that. But, yeah, so we're going to take a gander over to storage and, yeah, we'll go from there. I'm an idiot because I forgot my truck keys, so we're just backing back up to the driveway.
We're doing like 30.
Yeah, we only made her like 100 feet. Well, nah, like 1,000 feet, but you know.
Rip it. Yeet. I just watched this thing slow down.
Yeah, Cummins is gonna get destroyed with crap because it's got the 20x12s on
Whatever,
there.
we can go to the car wash after.
I don't think.
Honestly, if it stays warm, we can get the pressure washer out quick and pressure wash it while it's in the barn.
Ooh, I was gonna pull the fucking tcase tonight too, I think. If that's cool. I've got the keys. Look at that shit box. Fuck. Quite clean T-filter. Ooh, Dodge keys. Junk. Look at this sexy ride though. Ooh, damn. Fucking clean ass GMC. That's right, cleanest one in Minnesota. Alright, we rolling in. Storage. Woo! Alright.
You gotta put your card in or what?
Nah, dude, you put the passcode in, I'll tell you it.
Oh, you're gonna have to.
I'm gonna tell the lube tube.
No, you're
Bet. Alright, as we pull in, to your right, you will see an awesome GMC van. There she is. Look at that. Freaking man. I'm just kidding, it's right there. Wow, it's all covered up. Precious little thing you are.
Guy stores it outside. What is 420?
You better do something like smoke weed. I mean, we don't do that. Alright. Pulling the cover off this puppy. And we'll get a cold start going. Ooh, so fresh and so clean. She's so mint.
Get your cinder block out of there.
Yeah, it has cinder block holding ratchet straps down. It was really windy, dude.
You're in a fucking army crawl under this thing.
Yeah, well, she's the low life, you know. She ain't lifted, that's for sure.
All right. You got a nice backyard, dude. Fucking shit creek. Oh, you on a bike? Couple bikes back there. Bet that camper leaks. Bet all these campers leak. Dang, brother.
Probably won't even use this cover again. No.
Probably not. I'd put this thing in the garage. Roof's good. It's a good view right there, tell you what.
Alright, as you can see, this is my second shot. One nice 20x12.
Well, I wish you would take videos like this of me, fucking dickhead.
Oops. Ooh, let's see if there's any meats in here. Huh?
I doubt it.
Nope. Got some nice dryer sheets. Crackless dash, mint.
Smells pretty.
Yeah, it does smell pretty. Alright, let's put these batteries in. She's gonna start right up. I think so.
IDK. Did a meese get up there? Or is that like that?
That was like that.
Oh, weird. Time to pull that up.
Actually,
Burgeriner.
one battery. Yeah, I need new cables.
Oh, dude, that's sick. I don't know. Yeah, you do? Holy shit.
Probably need new batteries too.
Batteries.
Batteries.
Look like boat batteries. I don't know. For your boat.
I like those.
It's a good looking boat. Van's pretty clean.
So close. Yeah. Man. We're just gonna.
This thing's been here so long, the wheel's stuck in the goddamn or in the asphalt. Who's paying storage for this? This junk. I wouldn't. That thing pays him hundreds of thousands a year. Almost. $60. We're there yet?
Yeah.
Ooh, fucking. It's connected to the
This
battery.
battery should be alright.
Push it up.
Alright, we got the batteries in. So, yeah, let's do a little cold start. I bet she starts right up. Bet. Trying to let the pump run. The lift pump. There we go. Alright. Right up. Oil pressure. Oil pressure. There's the oil pressure.
Shit's like a glove, huh?
Mint. Didn't even struggle. Oh yeah, she's cheating a little. Mint. Let her warm up. Let her air out a little maybe, huh? Too warm, so high idle one kicked on, so we got the high idle stick. Yeah, might be long enough, hopefully. Maybe not, I don't know. There we go, high idle stick. Yeah, we are pulling the drive shaft out because we think it's stuck in 4x4 because this puppy is, this transfer is junk.
I'm Alex Mechanic, I get paid salary.
Yeah, he just, you know,
It's really good.
Milwaukee's and crap.
Yeah, I got Milwaukee, it's how you know.
Yeah, he just, yeah.
Is that on there?
Yeah, it's good. Well, I thought you were the mechanic.
No,
We,
you're the boss.
Oh, yeah, eat it. Yeah, fucking mint. Word.
Where's the cappy thing?
It's goodish. It's somewhere. Don't worry about it. It's right here.
Oh.
Yeah, well,
There it is.
just freaking. That's why I said to bring the hammer.
You go grab it, I'm stuck under here, bro.
Alright.
It's in the tailgate.
Alright. Fucking Dodgers, always fucking working on them. Fucking pieces of shit. You get her? We got a beef mallet. Oh, I gotta see if we have a little extendo in here. Everything helps, right? Grab. Try that maybe. Yeah. Oh, hammer. So I get a hammer.
Because there's a dimple on this side because it's at the wrong rotation.
Mint.
Yeah, should be able to fucking pull it.
Mint. Freaking Dodge shit.
Okay,
Mint.
so what's up with this?
Well, I was thinking I grabbed this Jimmy Bobber. Oh, add a little more length on her.
Okay.
And then maybe we hit her with the long 10.
Long 10.
Because it's some sort of foreign bolt in there, you know. 12-point bullshit. Obviously done aftermarket.
Get that. Get this. Because that's all we brought. Because we're stupid. See, I should have brought that slinky looking thing.
Yeah, you stupid fuck.
What? You told me?
I didn't say.
Actually, this one is me.
Didn't turn no words over.
Where the hell is it?
It's somewhere in there. Oh, yeah. It's freaking already loose. You, you better not be a cunt. Oh.
Ow. Doesn't fit, bro. What size is this?
I don't know. If it was a 10 wrench, I mean, it's a 12-point though, and that's a 6-point. So different points there, you know, different things. Just frickin'. We're gonna get different bolts anyhow, but.
What the fuck was that?
Bikes.
Is there an 11?
Spring, summer, and February, March, summer. It's March, summer. March, summer here in Minnesota.
It's 40 degrees out and everyone's riding their damn motorcycle.
I won't run you over. Just tell me when to scream. I mean, hang on. What? Actually, should I go backwards or forward? Okay. Yeah,
This is the scariest thing in my life. What the fuck?
that was legal.
I did not sign up for that.
Mint.
Fucker jolted when you put it in gear.
Oh, yeah.
What?
I don't even know if that one's loose, but if you can get it on her, you know. Oh, hold on. Should I break that loose first? Yeah. Oh, there's two more, huh? Oh, okay. Hold on a minute.
Might have just fucked that up.
All right.
Grab your rack.
All right, guys. So we are now back to Jack's house, Buddy Butter's garage. T-case is a little wonky on her, but kind of binds a little. It's a little messed up because last year the chain started skipping, and yeah, no bueno. And then it started leaking as well, so. But it seems to be actually doing okay right now. And then my power steering's pretty shot too. I got a new pump and all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, it feels good to drive this puppy again though. Alright, so we finally made it back to Mr. Hoodie Butter's garage.
Jack Fabrication.
Yep. Check both of them accounts out, subscribe, do that shit.
Your Hoodie Brothers garage too.
Yeah. But now I have my own lube tube channel. Anyhow,
He's a hater.
check it out, Dodger's in here. We got the T-case in the bed. Probably gonna drop it out tonight if everything goes well, which it probably won't because nothing goes well. Our job takes 10, so.
Get off your phone and maybe you can get
Hey guys, so we actually ended up swapping out the T-case over the weekend. It probably took in total of maybe, I don't know, close to 3 hours or so. It wasn't too bad actually. So I ended up driving the truck home. It's in my garage now, which is really nice. Drove it, I don't know, probably put about 150 miles on it or so with the new case. It's been holding up awesome. No leaks or anything. So there's that. Got all the shafts back in. I haven't had any issues with that. Got new bolts actually for up here, just because the ones that were in there were 12 points and they're kind of crappy, so got rid of them and just got some new ones. But yeah, then ended up not doing the power steering and vacuum pump, just kind of lost motivation. But yeah, there she is. She's back running and driving again, good, and back to reliable as ever. It's a really good truck. But yeah, she's probably gonna sit here actually now until everything kind of melts and clears up, just because there's a little road still, and kind of want to wait for a big rain for it all to disappear. But yeah, so that's that. We'll have more videos on it soon once everything starts melting and we get real spring. But yeah, so till then, like and subscribe. Everything helps. See you guys next time.